So was anyone gonna tell me that Fenty Beauty came out with a limited edition Unicorn Blizzard Gloss Bomb Stack? Was anyone gonna tell me this? Y'all, this is literally the cutest lip gloss stack I have ever seen in my entire life. Like, this is gorgeous. And I know it's gonna get ruined in like 10.5 seconds, but let's go ahead and try it on. Oh, that gloss is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that smells like, but it smells so good. Okay, now let's try it on. Oh my gosh. You guys remember those like folders that was like multiple colors, but it was like black, but you had to put it in like the light? This is what it is. It's literally glowing and it's so purpley. I thought this, like, I wish it wasn't limited edition, but it sadly is. But I think y'all should go get it.